Hello, guys. Welcome back. I'm your host, Leonard Sinape, and today we're going to do a little bit of user management and group policy and group membership within your Linux virtual machine, right? Real simple, real easy stuff, right? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I just want to talk about a couple of commands here. Let's go ahead and get terminal pulled up. As you can see, I'm already logged into my virtual machine. Let's reset, give us a clean machine, right? So if you remember the last video, we added a user and we created a user named Johnny, right? So Jaquez is the user I created this virtual machine with. I'm a member of all the necessary groups. So let's talk about this command called ID, right? So you type in ID followed by the username, you press enter, and it'll show you the groups that that particular user is a part of. So you see I got the sudo group here, the Docker group here that we were able to add myself to in the bash file that we created, right? So let's go ahead and check out Johnny's user. So ID Johnny, and as you can see, he is not a part of the Docker group. So let's say we get a request. Johnny is a new developer that's just been onboarded and he needs access to the Docker group. So the command that we're talking about today is going to be sudo usermod dash little a big G, right? And then after you enter that particular command, then you enter the group you want to add the user to. Then you press space. Then you type in the username. So once again, that's sudo usermod dash lowercase a capital G space the group you want to add the user to, and then the username. All right. Now once you enter that in, you're gonna want to press enter. All right. Looks like didn't nothing change. Let's ID Johnny again. And like we spoke before, you got the arrow key. It'll take you right back without you having to type the whole command in. And let's ID Johnny again. So now, as you can see, before, Johnny was not a part of the Docker group. So after we ran the sudo usermod command, we added him to the Docker group. And as you can see that reflected down here, Johnny is now a part of the Docker group. All right. Very simple, very easy, very important. I guess this would be classified as security as well, right? So these are things that you need to know as a developer or as a DevSecOps or a DevOps engineer. That way you can properly secure your virtual machine. And it was a quick video today, guys. That was pretty much it. So we went over the ID command. We went over the usermod command here. And the next video, we're going to cover a little more about user permissions and user management and group policy. So make sure you stay tuned. That'll pretty much wrap it up for today. Once again, I'm your host, Leonard Sinape. And make sure you like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.